Welcome to our color hunt. I'm Jessie, and today we're joining Leo and Mia on a magical adventure. Are you ready to find some colors? Look! Leo has this secret color map. We need to find the primary colors to unlock a special surprise. Let's start the mission. First stop, the orchard. Can you see anything bright and red? There it is! A shiny, perfectly round apple hanging from the branch. Great job, Mia! That's our first color red. It's as bright as a fire engine and as sweet as a snack. One down, two to go. Now look up, way up. The sky is a beautiful, crystal clear blue today. Blue is everywhere if you just look towards the fluffy white clouds. Look at the water. The pond reflects the sky. And there goes a blue bird. That's our second color. You're doing an amazing job. The afternoon sun is glowing now. We've reached the field of giant sunflowers. They look like they're smiling at us with their bright petals. Yellow is the color of happiness and sunshine. From the flowers on the ground to the sun in the sky, yellow is all around us. But wait, the adventure isn't over. Leo and Mia found two magical buckets of paint in the meadow. One is red and one is blue. What happens if we put them together? Let's carefully pour the red and the blue into this third bucket and see the magic happen. Wow, look at those sparkles. Red and blue have mixed together to create a brand new color. It's a vibrant, glowing purple. We did it! By mixing our colors, we made something beautiful. Let's celebrate our colorful discovery with a happy dance under the rainbow. What a wonderful day! We found red, blue, and yellow, and made purple. Thanks for joining us. See you on our next adventure. Bye-bye.